What's going on, guys? Markie Williams over here on my channel, Online Certification Courses. Here we're going to go over 5 courses you could get certified in and start freelancing your services out. So before I get started, please make sure you subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out on any new certification trends or online courses you may want to take up. You can also comment done below once you hit that subscribe button. I will reply back to you. So let's get into number 1, which is Life Coaching Course with Neuro-Linguistic Programming. This online life coaching course is designed to teach people how to create success in all areas of their lives. With real-life demonstrations, you will learn the techniques and get a proper understanding of how and why they work. You will also come back to them over and over again as you work on your route to personal mastery. Whether business or personal life, coaching is not about accumulating various qualifications. Pieces of paper don't make you a great coach. You do need skills and techniques to help your clients achieve their desired outcomes. Either you're already a coach or brand new to the industry, this course is for you and empower you to start or grow your own coaching practice. This course will also assist you if you're an in-house coach or manager that wants to learn how to get the most out of your staff. You will learn various techniques and methods to assist you in your coaching journey. The FYI is, this certification, you can freelance your service virtually. Let's get on to number 2, Virtual Assistant Certification. While it's not mandatory for a virtual assistant to be certified, it's certainly very beneficial for business and freelancing prospects. Showing that you have been certified, it gives them confidence to clients and hiring managers that your working skills have been assessed by a reputed third party and that you possess the essential knowledge and skills to manage tasks remotely. This course will teach you how to set up virtual conferences and meetings for multiple co-workers, how to handle vendors, how to start up your home-based business as a virtual assistant, how and where to freelance your services out to, how much to charge, how to set up contractor agreements, and much more. After you get settled in with the business, you can freelance yourself out to at least 5 different companies. Number 3, the Etiquette Coaching Certification. This certification offers you a unique opportunity to learn essential etiquette coaching skills. With rapid changes in the means of connectivity and communication in the world, which have led to increased multicultural exchanges, etiquette coaching has become a very valuable skill to possess. Today, people from diverse cultures share workplaces, playgrounds, parks, restaurants, and the difference in their values and beliefs may and do lead to confusion and misunderstanding sometimes, with unpleasant consequences. The list of chapters will cover some of the following: fundamental business etiquette, business dining etiquette, etiquette for non-business dining, formal dressing etiquette, workplace etiquette, women and male grooming. Number 4, customer service management course. Similar to a virtual assistant, customer service provide product, service, information, answer questions, and resolve any emergent problems that the customer accounts may face with accuracy and efficiency. They are usually employed in banks, call centers, hotels, motels, restaurants, hospitals, retail, and wholesale stores, and other similar organizations. Number 5, social media marketing. This course here has the vast selection you could choose from. Whether you're trying social media marketing for Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and even LinkedIn, this course right here covers it all. How to use Instagram for business, social media marketing strategies for business owners, how to monetize and gain huge followers on Twitter. Come and learn how to profit off of YouTube marketing and learn marketing secrets. The list goes on and on. With this course, this certification course covers all social media platforms. And the cost for each of these courses is extremely low. As I have mentioned before, you may have the experience in some of these fields of work, but having that certification will put you ahead of the rest and to have your potential clients more confidence in your bids. Many thanks for taking some time to check out my tutorial. Please feel free to check out my many other certification courses that I have on here, and please make sure you subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out on any new certification trend or online courses you may want to take up. If you find this tutorial insightful, please make sure you leave a like, comment below as to what you'd like to get certified in, and I can send you a link to check out personally. You can catch me on Facebook, Markie Williams, where I also have an online certification page there you can like and follow. Many thanks once again. It's Markie Williams, and I'm out.